circles, parabolas, and ellipses. Oh my!
We see them all the time, and we have even worked with them before in math class. But what are they really? How can they even be grouped together? 2 words. Conic sections. Conic sections. What is a conic section? What are they used for? How are they made? And where do they appear in the real world? We will look to answer all of these questions in our unit on conic sections. A conic section is created when a plane intersects 1 or 2 cones. What can result from this intersection is a circle when the plane is perpendicular to the axis and goes through one of the cones, an ellipse when the plane intersects one of the cones but is not perpendicular to the axis, a parabola when the plane intersects one of the cones but is not perpendicular to the axis, and a hyperbola when the plane intersects both of the cones. Depending on where the plane intersects with the cones, the size and shape of the conic can vary. See how the size changes as the plane moves around? Every type of conic, circle, ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola, has a specific equation that we'll cover in the coming weeks. Once we master the basics of conics, we'll move on to the applications of conics. But what are conics even used for? The applications of conics are everywhere. Conics appear all around us, in architecture, in physics, in optics, in astronomy, and in navigation. For example, when you are lost and use a GPS to help you find out how to get home, the GPS uses conics to locate your position, the position of your home, and the distance between them. Another example is in architecture. Both bridges and buildings use conics as support systems. Mirrors and lenses are concaved in the shape of conics to focus light to a singular point, just like a lighthouse or a searchlight. Conics are also used to describe the orbits of planets, moons, asteroids, and satellites in our universe. In the coming weeks, we will master the basics of conics, learning the key terms and equations for each type of conic section. We will use the applications of conics to understand why conics are so important. And finally, we will end the unit by having every student create an image using the conics and equations we have learned in class.